Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or install Xbox controllers on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the devices tile on this page. And then you want to select add Bluetooth or other device near the top over here. Select everything else, which is Xbox controllers or wireless adapter, DLNA, and more. Select that. Make sure your device is turned on and discoverable. And then once you've made sure, again, it's connected to your Wi-Fi settings, it should then appear in here. And then you can add it to your device. If you haven't done that first, do that now and then come back in here and then add it to your device. It should be discoverable by that point, and then you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.